Hello and welcome to this short video on the Baby 5/8 inch receiver for the 3 and 4-way clamp system. This receiver enables you to mount any fixture or accessory with a male baby pin to the 3 and 4-way clamp system. We're going to mount a camera to the riser section of a C-stand. Let's mount a 3-way clamp first. Press the small locking button on top of the clamp opposite the hinge. Place the clamp around the riser section and secure in place by tightening the tension knob. Slide the squared end of the Baby 5/8 inch receiver into the square notch and tighten it to secure. Next, we'll screw this mounting plate's 3/16 thread into the bottom of this Enduro head. With a small flathead screwdriver, we'll secure it to the head using the 3 set screws in the bottom of the plate until snug. Now insert the baby pin on the bottom of the plate into the baby receiver and tighten to secure. Mount the camera on the head. Position where desired and you are ready to rock. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.